In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image a link in Google Docs. Google Docs is a versatile platform for creating and sharing documents, and knowing how to add functionality like hyperlinks to images can be incredibly useful. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or a project that requires some visual enhancements. We'll begin by opening up the document you want to work on in Google Docs. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and have your document ready. Once you're inside your document, locate the image you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. If you haven't yet inserted the image, you can do so by clicking on Insert in the menu, then Image, and selecting the source of your image, whether it's from your computer, Google Drive, or a web search. Now that you have your image in the document, click on it to select it. You should notice the image is highlighted or outlined, indicating it's ready for the next step. Look carefully at the toolbar at the top. You should see a small chain link icon, which represents the hyperlink feature. Click on this icon to open a dialog box where you'll enter the URL you'd like to link to. Here is where you'll carefully type or paste the website URL you want your image to lead to once it's clicked. It's important to make sure the web address is complete, including http:// or https:// at the beginning. This ensures that the link will work correctly. Once you've entered the URL, double-check it for accuracy, as sometimes a misspelled URL can lead to broken links or the wrong page. After you've entered the correct URL, click on the Apply button. You'll see the linked URL appear briefly below or next to your image, indicating that the hyperlink has been successfully applied. It's a good idea to test this link to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can do this by clicking on the image and selecting the displayed URL, which should open a new tab in your browser and direct you to the linked web page. If at any point you need to edit or remove the link, simply click the image again, and you'll notice an option to change or remove the link. This feature makes it easy to update URLs if changes are needed in the future. And that's it. You've successfully turned an image into a clickable link in your Google Doc, enhancing your document's interactivity and information accessibility. This can be particularly useful for linking to references, additional resources, or whatever your project needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your documents more dynamic.